Alright, mashallah. This casserole came out really good, and I'm very excited to cut into it, taste it, see how it all turned out. Has some ground beef in there, some beans, some onion, tomatoes, and it's topped with cornbread that I made. So I will show you in the next clip what it looks like. Alright, so this is what it looks like when it's plated. Really wonderful looking. Smells great, it's nice and steamy, comfort food. Everything stewed pretty nice. I use fresh organic corn that I shaved off of it, and a nice mixed bean. Mashallah. This is kind of like how the layering came out. The cornbread really sucks up the tomato juices real nice. I think it'll really reheat well. I'm not disappointed, I must say. I probably will make it more spicy next time. Mashallah.